Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Aishwarya, a legal intern at LEXIS and Company, and my today's topic is Children's Right to Education, an instrument to empower the minds. Under Article 21A of Indian Constitution, 86th Amendment in Constitution leads to inserting of Article 21A, a new addition to this right of life that is enriched as a fundamental right. It states that the free compulsory education between 6 to 14 years of the age, compulsory education throws a commitment on the government and authorities to guarantee the affirmations and participations of the rudimentary educations. The Supreme Court held that if any child deprived the education right is deprived from the liberty right and the right of freedom of expression. Educating a child from the grassroots level is an influential manner, which elements that it could open the doors of ideas and creativity. At most care has to taken for the holistic developments so as they could be contributing the factors to the nation's growth. Right to education is the indispensable right and irrespective to the infringement of right to education. So certain declaration and legislations are enacted to protect their education rights and help them to grow. The United Nations and its several other bodies have taken up a goal and eradicate the poverty and provide elementary educations to the children. Right to education is a fundamental right. No racial barriers, genders or sex shall stand us for the hurdle to seek education. At a tender age, unprivileged children are forced into the child labor to support their families when they are supposed to go to the school and get the education. In many countries and our country also, girls are stopped from going to school. For example, in Afghanistan, girls are married before attaining 18, finally leading them to the school dropouts. UNESCO Institute of the Statistics held out around a figure of 263 million children drop out of the school, wherein 61 million children were from the primary schools. There are millions of students and children are over the world who are deprived of the basic educational rights. In Unni Krishnan versus State of AP and others, the rights of education was classified into the groups of fundamental rights. Right to Education Act in 2009, there is an objective which provides free and compulsory education of the children within the age group of 6 to 14. Reservation criteria is the Act strives all the Indian private schools to reserve 25% of the seats for the children. There are some provisions also: no donation for getting admitted to the schools for basic educations, no interview required to get through an access primary education, prohibition of the caste based of economic status reservation by the schools. Special training is mentioned in the act for the school dropouts. Thank you.